Hello, this is a 2000 Saturn SL2 and it has automatic door locks. So to get this automatic door lock off, you have a housing right here and then you have the switch right there. And this is what the switch looks like. If you go to a pick and pull, you don't have any way of knowing whether or not it has automatic door locks, but it's pretty easy to pop these off. You just get a screwdriver in here and you have a tab right there and a tab right there, tab on this part, tab on that part, and then you have these little tabs here and here, so the switch comes off pretty easily. There we go. All right, that came off. And then you have this other little tab here that you've got to take off to get the switch disconnected from the wire. There we go. All right, so that's that. Now this is the good switch. This was the bad switch. This is what it might do, and this is how easy it is to fix. Okay, so we're gonna do this with one hand. See, it wasn't working, wasn't pushing. And it was doing that, right? So you just put the new one on. All right, put it back inside the housing. Like that. Make sure it's connected, right? And it works. And that's it.